Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a parent like me who's always on the lookout for the best nutritional options for your child, then this video is for you. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Groviva Child Nutrition Supplement. Is it worth the hype? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Groviva? Groviva is a child nutrition supplement formulated to support growth, immunity, and overall well-being. It's packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins designed specifically for growing children, making it a popular choice among parents. Now let's talk about what's inside Groviva. This supplement has proteins, essential vitamins like A, C, D, and E, plus key minerals like calcium and iron that are important for your child's development. Groviva also has docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that supports brain health and cognitive development in kids. One scoop delivers around mentioned specific macronutrient breakdown, which makes it easy to include into your child's diet without adding too many extra calories. Groviva is really easy to use, which is a big win for busy parents. You simply mix the recommended amount of powder, usually about number of scoops based on packaging, into milk or water. It dissolves quickly and has a creamy texture that kids usually enjoy. I tried it myself, and I have to say, the chocolate flavor really does taste like a mild chocolate milkshake. So, what are the key benefits of Groviva? First, the nutrient profile is great for supporting healthy growth and development, especially for kids who may not get everything they need from regular meals alone. It's a good option for picky eaters or those in need of an extra nutritional boost. Another bonus is that it's free from artificial colors, so you're not getting any unnecessary additives. Of course, like any product, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some parents have noted that it can be a bit on the sweet side, so if you're concerned about sugar, you may want to check the label or adjust how much you give. Also, it's always a good idea to consult with your pediatrician, especially if your child has dietary restrictions or allergies. Alright, so what's the verdict? Overall, Groviva is a solid choice if you're looking for a nutrition supplement that provides a balanced mix of essential nutrients and comes in kid-friendly flavors. It's easy to prepare, tastes great, and can help fill in the nutritional gaps for kids. Have you tried Groviva for your child? Let me know in the comments what your experience was like. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.